Xtuner is the revolutionary brand in automotive intelligent diagnostic areas. Our products include the Xtuner CVD, Xtuner X500, Xtuner T1, and the Xtuner E3. Powerful functions with low price.
This is the original Xtuner T1 you will get. This is a shock-proof box. First, open it. Wow! You will see a black, elegant package design. The package advocates environmental protection concepts with the use of durable material perfectly suited for the product. Inside the box, you will get multiple cables for extensive vehicles. A password envelope to activate your device. Please keep the envelope letter in a safe place or write down the serial number and password of the product. In case you lose your password, you can retrieve the password by yourself or email to xtuner888@gmail.com. Xtuner T1 VCI. You can easily see what you get, and with our Quick Start Guide, you can quickly know how to use and meet your demands. These are different test connectors, including the Cat9, Diesel 9, Suzu 20, Volvo 8, Isuzu 3, Benz 14, OBD 16, Denso 12, Iveco 30, and the Cummins 6. Okay, let's summarize all you will get. 1-piece battery cable, 1-piece cigarette lighter cable, Xtuner T1 VCI, OBD2 connector, 10 pieces of test connectors, 2 pieces universal cable, 1-piece USB cable, quick start guide, password envelope. Software download.
First, click on the Xtuner official website. That's www.xtuner.org. Go to the Software Center. Find the Xtuner T1 Software Center. Make sure you will download the latest version. Click on Download. It will need a couple of minutes to save the software, so please be patient while waiting. Click to open the setup, and then click Run. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Finish. Click Next. I accept this user agreement. Click Next. Click Install this software anyway. Click Finish. See Xtuner T1 interface. You can view the basic information from Settings.
Xtuner supports 22 languages, so you can choose your own language. Unit switch between metric and imperial system. Display modes between full screen and fixed size. Logging function is available. It can log the data of a vehicle communication. If there is a new version, it can automatically prompt to update. About Me. Automatically identify Xtuner T1 version information. Skin settings. From here you can change the background color. Please connect Xtuner VCI with your vehicle ECU. Start ignition switch. The power lamp is red. Software activation. At first, please keep the network open and working. Run Xtuner T1 app, then click the online store to get applications. Please enter the serial number and password from the envelope. And then click Login. The product is not activated. Please register and activate first. Click Yes. Please input your information. The email address, the country, and region are required. And then click Activate. The activated link has been sent to your email. Please log in your email. And click the link to activate the product. Activation successful. Click Yes. Now go into the iDoTech store. There are two modes for downloading. 1x1 and one click. It may take some time to download all the software, depending on the speed of the customer's network. After download, you will see the code coverage and update information for each brand of vehicle. Connect VCI with your computer. There are two ways to connect. One is through USB connection. Use the USB cable to connect the VCI with your computer. Click the right mouse button on Properties. Click Device Manager. If it shows like this, it means USB Connect is successful. The USB light will turn blue. The second way is through Wi-Fi connection. Click Wi-Fi signal. Search the Wi-Fi of Xtuner T1 on the PC or pad and connect. The Wi-Fi light will turn blue. It means Wi-Fi connection is successful. Run the Xtuner T1 and start to diagnose. Choose the vehicle you need and enter the diagnostic system. Downloading communication. Programming. Please press the next page. Connecting ECU. It can automatically identify the vehicle model and information that you can take a screenshot of. Read DTCs. You can print or save DTCs for further study. The test report as below. Erase DTCs. Data list. Select some items. Select the first item and click the Wave button. Click the Record button to start data recording. When finished, click the Stop button to stop recording. Click the Play button. It will show the recording data list. Select one of them and replay the recording data.
Please subscribe to our channel to learn more about Xtuner. Thank you.